Alright, so now I'm going to talk about a little bit about Facebook, but about like the perverts on there that want to do video chatting with you, and you know what that means. They want to, But anyways, I hate when they ask you that, when they say, "Hey, thanks for the ad," or whatever. So, I really do hate that. Like, it gets on my nerves. That's why I cancel my friend request. But just don't listen to them. They could be like stealing pictures on Google, trying to look like a young guy, trying to look all cute, but they're really like 50-year-old man. All right, so I want to see what you think about this and what you think about Facebook's perverts. Comment, dislike, like, subscribe. There's more videos, and I just want to see what you guys think about it.